You want to know how you can write a YouTube script using Gemini AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process on how you can write a YouTube script using Gemini AI. Go to the prompt section which is down in your Gemini AI and then write that you need a YouTube script for a certain thing, like you want a YouTube script for how to do tutorial video or something like that. For instance, I want a YouTube script on how to log in to Gemini AI. After you write it down, just press on the next button and then it will generate a short script for you. We should wait for a while as Gemini AI will give you the best output possible. As you can see, it has given me everything I need for a YouTube script. You can just copy it down, paste it, and you can recite it, and your YouTube video will be exciting and engaging. Let me give you another example on how you can generate a YouTube script. Let me go and press on New Chat, and this time I want Gemini AI to make a YouTube script on how to make a sunny side egg tutorial video. So I will write me a YouTube script on how to make a sunny side video. After that, I'll press next, which is on your screen, and then it will give me some script results. You should wait for a while. In a short time, it will generate you a video of how to make a sunny side egg up video. You can see that it has created a perfectly engaging video. I mean, the script for which the video you are going to make. So this is how you give commands and take out the YouTube script from Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.